Hey guys, I'm Yen from Joyous Balloon. Today I'm going to talk about how to do a balloon sword, like the simple sword like this, okay? I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. So we will hold the balloon, insert it in, one finger spacing, hold it and inflate left like 2 finger. Tail, right? 2 finger tail, like that, little bit, left little. Tie the front. So this will be a very basic sword, faster than the 5 bubble sword. 3 finger. Hold. Okay, then the rest will be the. So we do exactly this, right? So hold it, hold all of them together. That, okay, squeeze it and turn. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there we have it. So, okay.
Let me illustrate another method to twist this sword.
And one more turn. So what we can do is just to find the center of this lot here. So it's actually exact, right? So we find the center, hold it, press it down. Alright, press it here. Make sure the left and the right almost same size. Then we just press it down, around, adjust. Okay, so there we have it. So. Simple sword. This is the most straightforward sword. If I compare to this type of a sword, this one, because of the joint here, alright, it's not bent. It's more sturdy and it won't be wobbly. Or else for this one, because of the joint here, when the kids play with it, it tends to be bending and not so sturdy. So I don't quite like this sculpture actually, unless there's really absolutely no time. So this is a very fast and easy way to make a balloon sword when the queue is very long. Alright.
Which sculpture do you prefer? Do let me know in the comment down below.
I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.